Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 459 Cooper Street in Cambridge. This spacious two-story, 3+1 bedroom home has 2.5 baths and is move-in ready. And what an amazing property. It's a fully fenced 80-foot by 114-foot pool-sized corner lot. Just imagine what you can do with all of this space. But first, let's go take a look inside this amazing home. As we step inside, you will immediately notice how clean, fresh, and well-maintained this home is. The main level offers a large front closet and features a center hall plan that leads to the kitchen. The front of the home features a spacious living room with a large bright bay window and hardwood flooring that flows through to the kids' playroom. What was originally built as a formal dining room, this playroom has been such an amazing bonus room for this family. It's the perfect place for the kids to have their own fun, while the adults can kick back and relax in the living room. As we head over to the kitchen, you'll appreciate how large this main level is. The kitchen features clean white cabinets with upgraded hardware and beautiful granite countertops with a matching granite backsplash. The stainless steel fridge, built-in oven, microwave, cooktop, and dishwasher are all included with this home. The center island is such a nice feature of this kitchen. It's the perfect place to prep your family meals while entertaining your family and friends in the large dining area. This dining room provides more than enough space for your harvest table, plus any extensions you may have for extra seating. As an added bonus, the main level also features a laundry room with a wash tub, cabinetry, and leads to the powder room, which is neatly tucked away, offering plenty of privacy. As we head upstairs, you will continue to see how inviting this home is. The master bedroom is incredibly spacious and offers an abundance of natural light in through the large bay window. And just look at that walk-in closet. There will be no fighting over space with this closet, as it will provide more than enough room for all of your clothing. The second and third bedrooms are also very large and feature the same beautiful laminate flooring that is in the master bedroom. The 5-piece main bath on the upper level is simply massive. It features a corner soaker tub with 3 large windows for natural light, a shower, a double sink vanity, and a pantry closet. This room is so large that some buyers may actually want to divide it to create a second ensuite washroom for the master bedroom. Heading downstairs, you'll see that this home provides even more space for your growing family. It offers the perfect cozy rec room for movie nights and is a great place to get away and relax. The basement also offers a 4th bedroom that can be coupled as a home office. The current homeowners are fully utilizing this space for both purposes. And as an added bonus, this room leads to an extra 3-piece bathroom. In addition to this, there's plenty of unfinished space for storage, utilities, and a great spot for your home gym. Now that we're back outside, let's take a look at what this amazing property has to offer. This backyard is fully fenced and features a large deck for dining and entertaining. Its dual 8-foot gates and extra side yard space offer the perfect secluded spot for parking your trailer, boat, or both. And just look at the amount of green space back here. It's a park-like setting that your kids and pets will surely love as they run around and play. This backyard also features a 12x8 storage shed that rests on a solid concrete pad. What an amazing property. Not only is this property amazing, but the location of this home is absolutely prime. It's within walking distance to great schools, excellent parks, Hespeler Arena, and Hespeler Village. You'll love Mill Pond, the trails of Jacob's Landing, and the shops of Hespeler. You'll also appreciate that this home is located just a minute or two from the 401 for easy access to your daily commute. As you can see, this is an amazing family home in the desirable Hespeler community. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.